a suggestion you convene with your father for 10 minutes on the tarmac at the other end, just to, you know, agree on approach, flesh out any awkwardness.
I'll let you know.
Thank you.